But we need some contestants to come on up. Bring your chair if you want, bring your drink, bring your wife, bring your attack bag.
Can I do from here?
Over here is good.
I can see from here, Peter. I'm right here.
All right, all right. There's actually two parts. One is actually a contest and one is just for something I came up with called Chamoru English.
Oh.
More English?
Hey, I'm good at
We'll
that.
go ahead and do the Chamoru English part first because this one doesn't involve anybody winning anything. It's just some Chamoru English words.
I do.
Tomorrow for now.
That's the right word.
All right, the first word is above.
Oh yeah.
Above?
Pretty close.
Above the roof?
Above the roof.
Tell me someone tell me a sentence you can use the word above with.
Don't
Don't jump above the roof. No, in Chamorro.
That's right. I threw your dory above the house. Okay, the next word is bath.
Go take a bath.
Right. Hey, when's the last time you took a bath? This word is bandits.
You are bandit.
I cut my hand and the nurse put on the bandits. Hey guys, I'm here all week. Better.
I'm better than you.
My brother can play marbles better than you. Who's heard this one before? Bert. I hate it when there's Bert Taki on my car.
Me too.
Bet. B-E-T. Toka sa you pee on the bed again. Big. B-I-K. Wow. Your mom's buck chain is so big. Bits. B-I-T-S. Hey, next week we're gonna have a party at the Bits. Blitz. B-L-I-T-Z. Tina looks so sharp after she blitz her hair. Brief. B-R-I-E-F. When I was underwater, I couldn't even breathe.
Wait till your mother hears.
Buck. B-U-C-K. Excuse me, sir, but there's a buck in my corn soup. Bum. B-U-M. After the war, we found a bomb at our ranch. But it didn't explode it. But. B-U-T. This is the most famous beer in Guam. Hey, go fan and get me one more butt. Butter. B-U-T-T-E-R. How come you like to butter me? Chains. C-H-A-I-N-S. Hey? Can you chains fan this dollar for quarters? Chains. Everybody knows this one. Seal grin.
Too good.
You have to be patient with your chill grin. Cloves. C-L-O-V-E-S.
Go change your clothes.
Whose clothes is that on the hanger? Dare. D-A-R-E. That means away from you. Hey, is my sister over there? Doc. D-O-K. On my way to the bus stop, I got chased by a big duck. Dude. D-O-O-T. Check out that dude. He's checking you out. Dose. D-O-S-E. Let's go fan and talk to those girls. Drugs. D-R-O-X. My mother always told me to stay out of drugs. Everybody knows this one. Ear. E-A-R. I haven't smoked cigarette for one whole year. Fall. F-A-L-L. Binetsu. It's your own fault you failed. Facts. F-A-X. Homosexual men. All those guys at the club were facts. Frog. F-R-O-K. After it rained hard, there was plenty frogs on the road. Got. G-O-T. Oh my God, I'm so hungry. Grade. G-R-A-T-E. My son is in the first grade. H. How do you spell that? H. How old is that girl? She looks so young for her age. Hawk. H-O-C-K. I couldn't breathe when Franklin put a beer hawk on me. Jury. J-U-R-Y. I always Christmas myself and I buy me some jewelry. Queen. K-W-I-N. The people from Inarahan sold their land so their contestant can be Liberation Queen. M. If you want to kill the Banado fast, you have to M to his throat. Mace. M-A-C-E. Who maced the bathroom? On. This means it belongs to you. Whose on clothes is in the driver? This one's a good one. Prison. It means to have patience. Because I'll be home pretty soon. Yeah, you guys will like this one. Tits. T-I-T-S. Can you please teach me how to speak English? Trade. T-R-A-I-T. That guy trade me that he's gonna beat me up. Trade. True. T-R-U-E. Who threw that rock? And last but not least, eggs. I prefer scrambled eggs than boiled eggs. Alright, now that we have the Chamoru English, we're gonna go for some real tomorrow. And I need some contestants like I said, okay? And I have some stickers to give